What's up? Welcome to Enginuity, your source for fitting big things in small spaces. It's my channel. I'll say what I want. Okay, phew. You can't get me in here. Anyway, so last episode we found out that none of the seats I have actually work, so that means we have one of two options. One, we either cut up a production seat to make it fit, or we make our own. And you know how I roll. We're making our own. Okay, phew. I think he's gone. So anyway, like I was saying, in this episode, we're making a custom metal seat for Project Becky. Ideally, you'd be doing this out of like aluminum, probably like 16 gauge if I had to take a guess, maybe as thick as an 1/8 inch. Don't have that, so I've got 20 gauge sheet metal, just regular, just cold rolled. So going to give it a shot. Obviously, it's not going to be the, the final seat because that's probably not safe to make a seat out of sheet metal, but we'll try to figure out ways to make it strong, at least for now, just to kind of get a template and a kind of proof of concept to see if I can in fact make a seat that works. So let's give it a shot.
One eternity later.
This is getting bad. 4 more to go. We got this. I think that's it. Goodbye, soldier. Okay, so real talk. I don't know if this is going to work, but that's how most of this usually goes. So we're going to try to use a press brake without a press. Like I said, don't know if it's going to work, but there's for sure one way to find out, and then we'll know. And then, we can go live our lives knowing what we know. Okay. Let's see if this works. So there you go. You don't need a press to use the press brake. Who knew? That escalated quick. I don't even know what just happened. Just stuff like, so so the hole's all bit. I felt like it was going too slow, so I jacked up the speed on the drill press and I ended up burning all the teeth off the hole saw bit. That's my bad. I'm an idiot. And then I was like, screw that. Like, we got a punch. I don't even know where it is right now. That's pretty close. So I ended up drilling the holes out so I could fit the hydraulic press in. So I punched it out with the punches, which of course, it's just a little too small. So then I had to go and grind them out. So we got die grinders out. I snipped some stuff and cut some stuff. Dude, I don't even know what just happened. This place is a disaster. Deep breaths, collect ourselves. I'm gonna go have a coffee and chill out for a second. Come back. We'll try this again. Finish getting these holes flared and keep going with this project.
12 seconds later.
Aside from it being pretty flimsy, despite the fact that it's riddled with dimple dies, I guess that's sheet metal for you. 20 gauge at that. The width is pretty good. It actually needs to. It's actually a little too wide. It needs to come in at least on the hip section, like maybe 2 inches. The leg width, I nailed that. But the hip width has to, like most seats have like a taper to it. We definitely gotta sort that out for the next round. But yeah, I am genuinely stoked how this came out. And now that this is here, now I can get the shifter cables measured and ordered, and that's what we're doing next episode. We're getting back on that transmission and getting the shifter sorted. It's gonna be a good time, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share with your friends so we can keep growing the Ingenuity family. And as always, remember, on projects like this, sometimes you just need a little ingenuity. I will see you next time.